thank you for joining Printed Movie Props once more for a very quick product review. This is the Xenopixel V3 mystery box from Padawan Outpost, and everything's up here. You can see I've already unwrapped it because I was too excited to wait any longer, and it is the super shiny, super chrome Darth Revan. To get a character in a mystery box, I was extremely happy. I won't turn it on camera. It is extremely loud even on the quiet setting, but the key part of this one now is that it is fully customizable by the app. So do let me know if you want me to play around with the app and show you those settings. I'm sure there's plenty of other people doing that, so have a browse. The key thing I want to show you is just how cool this looks. It is a combat ready lightsaber. It is very nicely weighted, it is slim, and it does have the clip so you can attach it to the belt and it won't cause you any trouble to carry it around. USB-C charging, and even the button has a nice Imperial logo on there. Carry around a polishing cloth with this one, I think, because it is super shiny. I just want to keep it in pristine condition, but a really nice simple addition to the collection. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed that very quick overview.